folders here. So let's just create a new folder. Today will be chapter 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13. So mkdir, dir chapter 13, and then let's seed into it. Come on, let's seed into chapter 13. Yep. All right, so we are there. We can clear this off the screen, and then we'll create a new file called index.c. And yeah, so let's go into insert mode. We'll need our header file, so let's just include stdio, this stdio.h, this the header file that helps us to use functions like printf and scanf. So int main, this is our entry function. Here's where our program will start executing all the functions from. Before we even do this, I think the best thing to do right now is to talk about strings and maybe a little bit about pointers. Yeah, strings are basically a set of characters, right? Alphabetic characters in quotation marks. So to create a string, you do this. I'll say this will be my string, like this. So my string here is equal to, let's say, my name. Okay. Man of Steel. Let's just put it like that. Man of Steel, like this. And then close this here. Hopefully I'm doing this right, because it's been long since I did this. So yeah, okay, let's try to print this string actually. So I'll move up by pressing on K, and then O will automatically put me on the next line in insert mode. That's a vim command actually. So I'll then do printf. So printf. So for strings, we can use the format specifier s, I think. I'll just say the string. Okay, here is our string, like this. Yep. And let's just add a new line just to make things look good. And then we'll pass in the string here, my string. I think if you do this, okay, so let's go back to this place here. Oh, we're up. All right, so I'll just say insert. I think it's still Control P, right? Okay, Control P here. So let's exit here. Okay, we need the closing curly brackets, and then here let's just delete this one from here. Okay, move to the next side, and then append an end line. Okay, so we will just go out, exit vim, come back here, write this file, right? Let's use the terminal. So I like to use the vertical term like this, I think. Yeah, so if you do Ctrl W, you'll be able to move around. As you can see, my cursor is moving around here, and here is dropping from there. So to do that, you press on Ctrl W and then the direction key, so LJ key, and H. So let's go back and compile this code. So we'll do cc index.c. The compilation failed because, okay, so there's a problem. Format. Okay. Oh, I see. Wait, how do you create strings in C? I've forgotten this already. Create strings in C. Programming. So, oh, we need the brackets. We need the opening brackets to specify that this will contain a list of characters. So let's just move back here. So Ctrl WL, and then what's going on? I think, come on. So we can just go ahead and do it this way. So I'll move back up here. Let's come down here, I think, onto this line. Okay, we are on the same line. So let's go to the beginning of the line. We are pressing on 0, and then we can just move forward to this point here. Although I could just do, I think, words. If I go back like E, it will go to the end. So let's go back to the beginning by pressing on 0. So if you press on W, I think, yeah, it moves to the first, and then first character of the next word, and then E will move to the end of the word. So let's append here this. So this is what we need to show that this will contain a set of characters. Now if I don't put anything in it, it means this string here does not have a specific size, so we can put anything in it. So let's just quickly exit here. I'll come back to this place, okay, and then write this. So let's move back to our terminal here. Let's clear this and then compile. Compilation is successful, so now we can just do A out, I think, here, and then you can see man of steel is our string. So the mistake I made was not to put this here, otherwise this would have been a character, not a set of character or a certain amount of character. So yeah, now there is so strings have their own methods, right? They are different. Also, there's also another way to create strings by using the curly brace and putting in the characters individually, but we'll look at that later. I don't want this video to be long, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.